I'm Rick Dixon, the R&D Director with Antibiotic Forefront, and I'd like to talk about one of our new products, the copper bandage or Band-Aid. Copper has been known to be an antimicrobial agent since at least the time of the ancient Egyptians, going back to about 3200 BC. However, in the late 19th century, antibiotics started being developed, and as a result, chemical solutions for antimicrobial applications fell out of favor. Unfortunately, given the intervening 100 years, lots of bacteria now have acquired resistance to antibiotics, and they are becoming less effective, so there is now a need to find an antimicrobial agent that is effective and that is a chemical basis rather than a biological basis. That's why we developed the copper bandage or Band-Aid. I have a sample here to show you how it works. This one is in sample. You see, consists of a underlying piece of copper cloth, taffeta cloth. It's 35% copper. There is an intervening pillow of cotton absorbent gauze, and then another piece of copper taffeta fabric of also 35% pure copper. This one is disassembled, but I wanted to show you what it looks like as far as components. And then here's the reverse side of the bandage. So here's one that's been completed. The bandage would be applied to the surface of the wound like a normal Band-Aid. And what happens is that copper now is directly on the wound. And within a matter of 2 to 3 hours, over 90% of the bacteria are killed by in the fabric. At the same time, the human sweat and the mucus and serum in the wound will cause copper verdigris to occur within 3 or more hours. And as that copper verdigris or turns green, it's absorbed through the pad, and you will see it in this through the clear adhesive. So when the bandage turns green, you know it's time to take it off because the copper has done its job, because 99% of the bacteria would have been killed by 3 to 5 hours. So it's a very simple yet effective system. It's patent pending, and we believe this has great potential in the market as far as replacement for antibiotics in bandages and Band-Aids. Now, there's also further applications for larger bandages as well. So this is, we believe this is going to be a significant breakthrough. There's been a lot of research on copper applications for killing microbes in hospitals and that type of thing. Most of the applications so far, though, are for surfaces like faucets, doorknobs, this type of thing. But no one has actually come up with the idea of a copper Band-Aid. There have been some companies who developed silver type bandages and Band-Aids, but not copper and not of this type of design. So we're very, very encouraged with this. The research is out there if you're interested. One of the latest studies was the Journal of Applied Environmental Microbiology, February 2011 edition. The title of the article is Bacterial Killing by Dry Metallic Copper Surfaces. But any internet search will show you a plethora of studies on the effectiveness of copper as an antimicrobial agent. And I might mention that copper also can kill viruses like H1N1, TB, which is an added benefit. It also can kill MRSA bacteria, which is very dangerous now and is a great concern. Thank you very much.